Here I've got OnePlus 6 Pro, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at first you have to open the browser that you are using, then click on the More icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner, and select History. And click on Clear Browsing Data. Here you will notice Basic and Advanced tabs, which are for options that you can select, and under Basic you will find Browsing History, Cookies and Site Data, and Cached Images and Files. And under Advanced you have few more, which are Saved Passwords, Out of Uniform Data, and also Site Settings. And if you would like to, for example, leave Out of Uniform Data, just unmark it and it will not be deleted, but I would like to remove everything. And finally you have to select the time range, so just click here, select the preferred period of time, I would choose all time, and click on Clear Data. And that's it, you've just erased all data on your browser, now you can create it from scratch. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.